In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat to ClickFunnels. By the end, your visitors will be able to message you directly from your funnel, without any coding or complicated setup. First, we'll create the WhatsApp chat widget. Head to a widget builder that supports WhatsApp, such as a WhatsApp chat widget from a reputable provider. These tools generate a small floating button or chat bubble you can add to any page. Inside the builder, enter your business WhatsApp number so messages route to the right place. Then customize the look and feel to match your brand. Adjust the button text, choose your colors, and pick an icon that fits your style. You can usually change the position of the button and tweak the size so it doesn't cover important page elements. Keep your button text clear, like Chat on WhatsApp, and choose colors with strong contrast for accessibility. When you're happy with the design, save your changes. Next, click the option to add the widget to your website and copy the generated embed code. This will be a short HTML and JavaScript snippet. Think of it as the little instruction set that tells your page to load the chat button. Keep the code exactly as provided. You don't need to edit it. Now switch over to your ClickFunnels account and open the funnel step where you want the chat button to appear. Click Edit Page to launch the page editor. This is where we'll place the code so the widget loads automatically when someone visits your page. Inside the editor, click to add a new element where you want the widget to initialize. Choose the HTML/code or custom HTML/JS element from the list. Even though the widget is typically a floating element that appears on the page edge, placing the code in a dedicated HTML element keeps everything organized and easy to find later if you need to make tweaks. Open the HTML editor for that element and paste the embed code you copied earlier. Save your changes in the HTML element, then save the page in ClickFunnels. Go ahead and preview your page. You should see the WhatsApp chat button appear. On desktop, clicking it typically opens WhatsApp Web. On mobile, it will open the WhatsApp app if installed. If you don't see the widget immediately, confirm the code was pasted correctly and that your page was saved, then refresh your preview. That's it. You've added a WhatsApp chat to your ClickFunnels page, giving visitors a fast, familiar way to reach you.